In the late summer of 2016, I was called by Zamperla and Basement Studio to create all the sound environment of their new park attraction called Windstarts. With virtual reality, everything seems more real and touchable, and you are physically catapulted into a new world. It is a fascinating new field that I had never done before, and it gave me the opportunity to explore deeply the techniques of sound design and 3D audio. At the beginning, I had not in mind how I could be so equally realistic, but that's what I did to strike the goal.